Alright, so we're here at my K1 Max, printing a couple carbon fiber reinforced nylon pieces, and then we got, at the same time, we got my K1 printing a TPU piece, and these are for handlebar phone mount for my electric fat bike and or really any of my bikes. I got a couple electric mountain bikes, and I got a few dirt bikes and quads and stuff, and really I could use it for any of them. Potentially even in my side-by-side if I did a different mount, but this part of it would work fine. Unfortunately, we have a little failure here. We have two pieces printing at once, and this guy came dislodged, but I think it's going to make sense to just let this guy finish and then reprint that one by itself. Beautiful day outside here in New England. Finally, after Arctic tundra a couple months, it is gorgeous outside right now. And so I'm out in my shed with some spring fever when I should be inside billing clients, but I'm enjoying the weather instead. So stay tuned, and I'll probably piece this together with some other video showing the completed assembly. I've already done some testing with the handlebar clamp, and it works excellent. And this swivel mount works excellent. And so now this is just the phone gripper part, and the retainer and the TPU over here. And so once these finish, really it's all done. Oh, and one other feature of this, I guess I'll go into it later, but so I wanted to be able to install this clamp without taking the grips and the levers and all that apart off my handlebars, and so I made the clamp two-piece, kind of a neat design, and we'll go into that in a bit. But stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.